Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make TikTok video private. So we are in profile. So open any video. So click on it. Now video is open and then you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see privacy setting. So click on it. So we are in privacy setting and then you see who can watch this video. Now you see only you. Now select. So by using this option you can make your video private in TikTok. Now we set only you. Now back. Now you see video is not visible in profile and then you see lock icon. So click on it. So in this section you see video with lock icon. So click on it. So in this way you can make video private in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.